Yo, when the sun rises over South Africa, my brew, you feel it. That little vibration under the surface. And no, it's not just the taxis waking up like they're late for everything. It's something deeper, something lekker, something proudly Mzansi. Jozi traffic moves like it has main character energy. Cape Town wind? Hi boo, that thing will fold you like laundry. Durban humidity hugs you like your auntie who doesn't let go. And Limpopo cows? Ag man, they cross the road like, "Shop, you wait for me." But still, we move, with or without electricity, with or without robots that actually work. South Africans just make a plan, even when we have no plan, no backup plan, not even a plan to make a plan. And here, humor is survival. Someone says, "I'm 5 minutes away," and you know they're still in the bathroom. Or they say, "We'll do it now," which could mean any time before 2029. But the jokes, the chaos, the vibes, that's what keeps us going. And behind all the aish and awe and ugh no man, there's heart, real heart. We've been knocked down, sure, many times, but we still choose hope. We still choose each other. We share, we help, we laugh, even when life is busy clapping us. Because South Africa isn't just a place, it's a feeling, a rhythm, a heartbeat that refuses to quit. We are many voices, many flavors, many stories, but somehow we stand together, even in the madness, even in the nonsense, even when everything falls apart, we rise. This right here is South Africa. Awe.